Hello everyone, my name is Noah and today we're going to be diving into Apple CarPlay, one of the two different smartphone integration systems in newer vehicles. So we're going to be going over how to set up Apple CarPlay, how to maximize your use of it, and maybe go over some tips and tricks that you might not have known already. So let's take a look at Apple CarPlay. Getting started with Apple CarPlay is super easy. You can plug in your USB or the wireless charging pad that's equipped with wireless Apple CarPlay and you're good to go. What I like about Apple CarPlay is the outlay. It is very modern looking, scrolls really nicely. You can switch between a couple different view modes. So you can have your navigation in part, your Apple Music ready to go, as well as your voice commands in the top right. What's also really nice is you have access to your podcasts and audiobooks from the front screen here, but the navigation is really what's key here. In vehicles that don't have navigation on their own, you have access to your Apple Maps. You can search the destinations, of course, and type them in, but you also can just use your voice.
Where would you like to go?
What are some good restaurants near me?
The highest rated one I see is the Northern Cafe and Grill on East Ken Avenue North in Vancouver, which averages 5.0 stars.
So it's going to let me know to get there safely and abide by all the traffic laws. So you see here we have just a very, very updated and improving navigation system all the time. And what I really like about Apple CarPlay is that if I have an Apple Watch connected to my iPhone, the watch will vibrate on my wrist if I have an upcoming turn left or right in the navigation system. So navigating and entering destinations can all be done through voice activation, as can texting, which is very, very cool. So when I head over to my texting app, I go to my messages, I can write a new message.
Who do you want to send it to?
Leon Chaladin.
What do you want to say?
Hey Leon, just texting you from the 2021 Nissan Rogue. What I also like about Apple CarPlay is that our screen here is customizable. So unlike on your phone where you push and hold the widgets and then move them around, you can adjust the different settings for the widgets and where they're placed from your iPhone itself. I don't want my Apple Music there, so I can change the setting for that. That way my maps are there. My Messenger I kind of want beside my phone. Okay. And then last but not least, I'm a big Spotify guy. I don't use Apple Music, so I'm gonna put that at the top as well. What's nice too is that if we're driving, we're on the go, and we need to jot something down or make note of something, we can access our notes, not through a widget, but rather if we push and hold our talk button, Siri will pop up. Make a note.
What do you want it to say?
Don't forget to pick up milk on the way home.
Okay, I created a note. Don't forget to pick up milk on the way home.
So given the amount of time that we spend in our vehicles, driving, navigating, texting, calling, and listening to music, podcasts, or audiobooks, it's super important that we maximize the efficiency in our use of features like Apple CarPlay. So hopefully this video was helpful for you. My name is Noah. Thanks so much for watching. Take care and stay safe.